As you may have noticed on YouTube, above some titles, you'll see hashtags. This is a very useful tool for people who are searching, who want to find more videos about these particular topics. Let's look at how to add the hashtags to your own videos. While logged in, you can edit your video, and the preferred place to add the hashtags is in the description. Only 3 hashtags will be used. You can add up to 15, but if you add more than 15, YouTube will start to ignore all of the hashtags. An even quicker way to start adding hashtags to your videos is to go back to your channel. Under all videos, you can hover over a video and click the 3 dots to edit title and description. After you're done, save. I'm going to click cancel. But you can quickly go through each of your videos to copy and paste or modify your hashtags. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.